Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to store breast milk safely and share some simple tips that can help keep your milk organized and ready for future feedings. After expressing milk, proper storage is an important step. Using clean containers and following safe storage practices can help maintain the quality of your stored milk. Choose clean milk storage bottles, glass containers, hard plastic containers, or milk storage bags that are designed specifically for storing breast milk. Before placing the milk in the refrigerator or freezer, label each container with the date and time it was expressed. This makes it easier to use the oldest milk first. If you plan to freeze the milk, leave a little extra space at the top of the container because milk expands as it freezes. Store milk toward the back of the refrigerator or freezer, where the temperature remains more stable, rather than in the door. If you're using storage bags, laying them flat while freezing can help save space and make them easier to organize. When you're ready to use stored milk, thaw it according to recommended safety guidelines. Avoid refreezing milk that has already been thawed. Keep your storage area clean and organized so you can easily find the oldest containers first. A simple storage system can save time during busy days. Every mother's routine is different, but good organization and safe storage habits can make feeding much more convenient. With clean containers, proper labeling, and careful storage, you can confidently build a well-organized milk supply for your baby. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.